Good evening. The second wave of COVID-19 is here, and Canadians must continue to take precautions to stop its spread. That was the message from Prime Minister Justin Trudeau tonight in a rare address to the nation just hours after delivering a throne speech. We'll have more on his party's plans in a moment, but first the warning from the PM for Canadians not to let their guards down in the midst of a second wave that could be worse than the first.
It's all too likely we won't be gathering for Thanksgiving, but we still have a shot at Christmas.
A stark warning tonight from the PM, but are Canadians listening? Justin Trudeau took to the airwaves to deliver a national broadcast announcing 4 of the country's provinces are already into a second wave of COVID-19. The Prime Minister urging Canadians to continue wearing masks, physical distancing, and to download the government's contact tracing app.
It's a powerful, free tool that's easy to use and protects your privacy. So if you haven't already, download it off the App Store or Google Play. It's one more way to keep ourselves and others safe. Another is to get your flu shot this fall.
But was this rare primetime speech really about getting vital messaging to Canadians, or merely a ploy to highlight the Liberal government's accomplishments? The national address came just hours after the speech from the throne, and the PM didn't miss a chance to repeat some of today's announcements.
We will continue to support all those who need it with a strengthened and broadened employment insurance system. Maybe your boss was able to keep you on the job or hire you back because the emergency wage subsidy helped with the payroll. People still need this program, so we're extending it right through to next summer.
Meanwhile, the opposition pulling no punches. There was no show of unity as the country enters a second wave. Instead, the PCs attacking Trudeau in their national response.
In March, the Prime Minister promised that rapid testing for Canadians would be his top priority. Half a year and $500 billion later, Canadian families are lined up for hours for tests because the Prime Minister failed to deliver.
This was Aaron O'Toole's first real chance to address the nation as the new leader of the Conservatives. But perhaps the medium was also the message. O'Toole, one of 2 opposition leaders giving their statements while in quarantine after testing positive for the virus. The other, Yves-François Blanchet, who called on Trudeau to increase health funding to the provinces.
Justin Trudeau n'a pas entendu.
Mr. Trudeau did not hear the request from all the provinces for an immediate, unconditional, and sustainable increase in health care transfers.
Meanwhile, the NDP criticizing the Liberals for failing to fix many of the issues they say existed long before COVID-19 and have only been exacerbated by the pandemic.
And Justin Trudeau has been in power before with a majority government and hasn't made these things better. With healthcare, we knew that our healthcare system wasn't there for people when they needed. And we needed to do better with universal pharmacare and dental care. Well, Justin Trudeau just promised again to do it, but he's had 6 years to deliver something and has not done it.
Through all the politicking, though, one message can't be forgotten. The pandemic is far from over, and it's possible the worst is yet to come.
C'est pas le temps de faire des parties.
This is no time for parties. No one is invincible. Neither are your loved ones. We cannot let our guard down now, even in those places where the number of cases is still low.